Hello, welcome once again to my channel, AutoCAD Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to convert 3D drawing into 2D. And I'll do that using the 3D object I have right here on the screen. Okay, so this drawing is on the model space. And to convert this to 2D, I will have to switch to the paper space to start the drawing. And when it is done, you'll be seeing the front view, the top view, the end view and the left views of this 3D object. So let's now get started. So come down to the status bar and click on Model to change the workspace to paper space. Click. Okay, so here is your paper space. Now I'll have to shift this object upward to create space for the 2D drawing. So I'll double click this space. Click on this and move it upward. Okay, so I have now created space for the 2D drawing. Now switch back again to paper space. Turn this on. Alright, so now type VI, then click on VIEWBASE. Okay, now choose model space because we are getting this drawing from the model space. Click on model space. Okay, so here is the front view of this object. Let's drop it right here and right click and choose enter. Okay, so you can see when I move this now to the left, here is the left view of this 3D object. Drop it here. Then move to the right. Here is the end view. When you come right under this, you can see that here is the top view of this object. You can click on this. As I move around, you can see it has generated another isometric view of the object. So we only need the 2D, so I have to exit this command. Right click and enter. Now you can see that the front view, the top view, the end view, and the left view of these 3D objects have now been shown right here. So here are 4 different views of this 3D object. Let's move it up. Move this here. Also move this one a little up. So next I'll have to label these views. So type T for text and text. And drop this here. And simply type, that's the left view. That's the left view. Okay, can copy this. This is the front view. And this is the end view. And this is the top view. Change this to top view. So here are different views of this 3D object. You can also dimension them if you wish. So come over to the toolbar, click on dimension, click on linear, into dimension here, click on this. Okay, so this looks too big, so we have to format this and reduce the size of the text. So come over to the toolbar again, click on format, then click on dimension style. Okay, you have to modify this. Click on the modify button. So here on the line, change the color of the line to black, make it by layer. Also change this extension line, click here by layer. Now click on symbols and arrow. You have to change the size of this arrow, reduce the size to 0.1. Make it 0.1. come over to text, click on text. So change the color of the text to black. Click, choose by layer. Okay. Change the size of the text as well. Let's make it 0.1. 0.1. Okay. The primary units, and leave that at 0. That's 1 decimal unit. Then click OK for this setup. Also close. Okay, so we can now measure the other ones. So click on dimension and choose linear. Also measure this and dimension it. Then right click and choose repeat linear. And click on all these dimensions where you want it. And let's dimension these ones, the circle and the curves. Click on dimensions. Now let's choose radius. Click on radius. Click on this curve here to measure the radius. Okay. Let's click on diameter. Dimension, choose diameter. Let's check the diameter of this. Click on dimension, click on linear. Click on this and this. Enter. So you can check the other dimensions as you wish. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.